Out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 104.8 pounds. He has a record of 21 wins, no loss, one draw, 13 wins coming by way of knockout. From Los Mochis, Sinaloa, Mexico, ladies and gentlemen, the challenger, Luis Castillo. Of the red corner, he weighed in at 104.8 pounds. He has a record of 22 wins, 3 losses, 12 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Zip Sandman Boxing Gym, Cebu City, Philippines. The reigning, defending WBC World Minimum Weight Champion, ladies and gentlemen, Melvin Jerusalem.
Alright, eto na tayo. Round number 1 between Melvin Jerusalem against Luis Castillo. Ang unang pagdepensa ni Melvin sa kanyang titulo. Medyo malaki at mahaba talaga itong Mexican undefeated boxer. Tingnan natin. Walang kukurap. Suportahan natin si Melvin Jerusalem. Atake agad dito si Castillo ng body shot. Malaki talaga yung Castillo. Punong-puno tayo dito ngayon sa City, sa Mandaluyong City College. Nandaming nanonood. Good, 1-2. Oh, another 1-2 by Champ Jerusalem. Body shot by Jerusalem. Oh, good, 1-2 again by Melvin. Nice Champ. Body shot. Punong-puno tayo dito ngayon. Ang daming sumusuporta kay Melvin. Good, 1-2. Oh, good counter left by Melvin. Ganda nung counter na yun, ha. Oh, good again, good counter. Oh, good 1-2, baksak! Oh! Ayun, sabi natin! Good 1-2, baksak si Castillo! Woo! Oh! Let's go! Atake na rito si Melvin! Oh! Hilo si Castillo rito! 10 seconds remaining! Oh! Ibabaksak na naman! Oh! 10 seconds! Dito sa round number 1. Oh! Woo! Woo! Ang lumit! Oh! Okay. Round number 2 na tayo. Kailangan pa rin mag-ingat. At naka-score na sa opening round ang ating pambato, ang ating kampiyon. Kailangan mag-ingat pa rin. Napabaksak niya si Castillo. Sayang, kumahaba pa yung oras. Tapos na sana. Take note mga idol, undefeated Mexican boxer to. Ganda ng record niya ito. Another 1-2. Tumama na naman si Jerusalem dito. Paborito talaga ni Melvin yung quick 1-2 na yun. Ingat. Body shot by Jerusalem. Baba natin konti. Ingat pa rin, ha, ingat. Good 1-2. Atake dito. This is for WBC minimum weight world champion. Body shot again by Jerusalem. Good 1-2. 10 seconds. Oh, tumama na naman. Oh, another good shot by Jericho. Oh, another shot by Melvin. Sayang! Sayang na naman. Woo! Okay, round number 3. Melvin Jerusalem, ang kanyang first world title defense against Mexican boxer Luis Castillo. Good round, another round by Jerusalem yung kanina. Pero wag siyang, kailangan niya pa rin mag-ingat dahil may power itong Castillo. Good counter by Melvin. Good shot by Melvin. Oh, another shot. Tumama na naman. Good body shot. Ingat daw sa headbutt. Ang bilis, 10 seconds. Oh, good, good. Tumama na naman si Melvin. Sayang, sayang. Okay, round number 4 tayo. So far is all about Melvin Jerusalem round. Oh, good counter left. Good body shot. Oh, good. Left straight. Ayun na. Oh, tumama si Castillo. Good shot by Woo! Okay, round number 5. Balik tayo sa action. Good shot. Good body shot. Good combination by Jerusalem. Body shot. shot, good shot. Oh, good uppercut. Oh, good. Good counter left. Oh, good. Again, good shot by Jerusalem. Bilis ng oras, 10 seconds. Good body shot. Oh, good shot. Ganda. Okay, round number 6. Balik tayo sa action dito. Lamang na lamang po sa scorecard si Melvin Jerusalem. Round number 6 na to, schedule of 12 rounds of boxing. May background music pa nga lang. Nalimutan patayin. Round number 6. So far magandang kondisyon ng dalawang boxing. Good right straight by Melvin Jerusalem. Oh, good. Good right again by Jerusalem. Angat yung ulo ni Castillo ron, ha? Isang magandang quick 1-2 lang. Panigurado, babaksak na naman to. Ayun na, sinasabi natin. Tumama na naman. Oh, good. Isang magandang quick 1-2. Babaksak na naman to si Castillo. Iniinda niya talaga yung right straight ni Jerusalem. Malakas talaga yun. Ingat pa rin. Oh, good combination by Jerusalem. Oh, tumama doon si Castillo. Oh, good. Counter left, tumama na naman. Pero matibay din talaga yung Castillo. Ten seconds remaining. Another round by Jerusalem. Okay, round number 7 na tayo. Round 7 na. Dito sa ating WBC World Minimum Weight Championship bout between our champion Melvin Jerusalem against Luis Castillo of Mexico. Good shot.
Inside fighting. Good shot by Jerusalem. Another shot by Jerusalem. Oh, good. 1-2. Inside. Body shot. Oh. Inside fighting naman sila dito. Oh, good. Counter right by Jerusalem. Good body shot. Good shot by Jerusalem. Matibay talaga yung Meksikano. Oh, good shot by Jerusalem. Another shot again. 10 seconds. Puro body shot. Nag-i-invest sa body shot si Jerusalem ngayon. Okay, round number 8 na tayo. Atake rito si Castillo. Good body shot. Oh, good combination. Oh, another combination by Jerusalem. So good shot by Jerusalem. Bigayin sila rito. Body inside fighting. Good 1-2 by Castillo. Ay, sayang. Shot by Jerusalem. Angat yung ulo ni Castillo rito. Another shot. Sige, pakita mo. Let's go. Let's go. 10 seconds dito sa round number 8. Nag-clutch. Sayang, sayang. Alright, balik tayo sa action. Round number 9 na to. Good body shot by Castillo. Combination by Castillo. 1, 2, 3 combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another combination by Jerusalem. Body shot by Castillo. Body shot by Melvin. Whoa, combination. Combination by Castillo. Bawi naman si Melvin. Bigayan sila rito. Good shot by Castillo. Nakatama siya ron. Ten seconds. Oh, good. And off the round. Okay. Round number 10. Schedule for 12 rounds of boxing. Damang pa rin si Jerusalem sa official scorecard ng ating mga kurado. Good counter left. Another combination. Good body shot. Oh, good. Right straight by Jerusalem. Nakatama na naman si Ron na maganda. Ito na. Atake na naman si Jerusalem. Good shot again by Melvin. Kiyawan yung mga tao dito. Sayang. Mahaba yung oras natin dito. 30 seconds. Another shot. Oh, tumama na naman. $20 seconds dito sa ating round number 10. Sumasayaw po. Oh, good combination by Jerusalem. What a heart of the champion. Siyempre, oh, good! Good shot by Jerusalem. Sayang. And of the round 10. Another round by Jerusalem. Okay, round number 11 na tayo. Round 11 na. Ito ang first world title defense ni Melvin. So parang ganda ng pinakikita rito ni Jerusalem. Good shot by... Hoy, nasaktan na sa katawan. Kanina pa nag-i-invest sa katawan si Jerusalem. At ito na, umaatake na siya dito. Oh! Body headshot ginagawa dito ni Jerusalem. Hindi pa sumasagot si Castillo. Kanina pa, kung napapansin nyo, kanina pa nag-i-invest sa katawan yung ating kampiyon na si Jerusalem. At ayun na, parang iniinda na nga ni Castillo yung mga body shot kanina na binitawan ni Jerusalem. Good. Left, counter left. Straight combination. Bigayin sila rito. Inside fighting. Ingat pa rin. What a performance by Melvin. Isang minuto dito sa round 11. Good combination again. $40 seconds left. Pagod na rin yung dalawang boksingero natin. Napakatibay din yung Castillo, mga idol. 20 seconds. Oh, good. 10 seconds remaining dito sa atin. 11th round. Another left hook, body shot. And end of the round 11. Woo! Okay. Nandito na ngayon tayo sa last and final round. WBC World Minimum Weight Championship bout. Melvin Jerusalem against Luis Castillo. Atake rito si Castillo ng body shot. Last and final rounds na to. Lamang na lamang po ang ating pambato na si Melvin Jerusalem. 1-2 by Castillo. So kailangan na lang mag-ingat dito ni Jerusalem dahil sigurado na. Secure niya na ang panalo rito. Hindi birong kalaban din tong tinapat kay Jerusalem. Body shot, bawi naman si Jerusalem dito. One minute 40 seconds dito sa ating final round. Yan. Gamitin mo na yung ring. Lamang na lamang ka na. So, huwag ka na gaano makipag-engage. Okay na yan. Good body shot. Oh, good shot by Melvin. Oh, good shot again by Jerusalem. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung kondisyon ni Jerusalem dito. Good! Right! Angat na naman ang ulo ni Castillo. What a performance. Oh, another shot by Jerusalem. Pinapakita niya na kayang-kaya niya ba ng another round. Good shot again. Wala pang sagot na maganda ron si Castillo. 40 seconds left. Ingat pa rin. Kailangan pa rin mag-ingat. 20 seconds remaining. Ingatan mo na. Palakpakan na yung mga tao dito. Good shot by Jerusalem. 10 seconds remaining. Hiyawan na yung mga tao. Ito na. Nakatama na naman ng maganda si Jerusalem. And end of the bout. Woo! What a fight. What a performance. Para sa ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem. Napakaganda ng pinakita. And obviously, Melvin Jerusalem secure his title against Luis Castillo. Hintayin natin yung decision.
We have a winner by unanimous decision. Here are the scores of the three judges. Judge Sing Kyung Ha scored it 118-109. Judge Stephen Blea scored it 120-107. Judge Arnulfo Nahera scored it 120-107. The winner by unanimous decision and still WBC World Minimum Weight Champion, Melvin Jerusalem.
Alright, nanalo po si Melvin Jerusalem. Wide unanimous decision. Lopsided yun mga idol.